Always remember to check DSSSM, doors, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirrors. Doors. Close the door properly to avoid disqualification during the examination. Seat. Adjust the seat to your comfortable position. Steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to your comfortable height. Hold the steering wheel firmly to detect your fingerprints. Seatbelt. Buckle up the seatbelt to avoid disqualification from the test. Mirrors. Adjust the mirrors to clearly see the rear and side views. Show thumbs up in the right camera when you are ready. Examination will begin. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Prepare, observe, and check all sides before you begin the parking maneuvers. Release the handbrake. Reverse slowly while checking behind. RTA Parking Test 4, Parallel Parking Test. 5 minutes to complete the maneuver. Drive towards the right lane at the right position. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Switch on the right indicator. Prepare, observe and check all sides before you begin the parking test. Slowly reverse while checking the right side mirror. When the yellow line disappears on the right side mirror, check the left shoulder for any hazard. Turn the steering wheel 360 degrees towards the right side. Check the line once it matches the front door handle. Turn the steering wheel towards the left side. Check the rear yellow line once it matches the front right side door handle. Stop the vehicle. Pull the handbrake. Then shift the gear to neutral for manual and parking for automatic transmission. This will end the Parking Test 5 Parallel Parking Test. Switch on the left indicator to exit the parking bay. Check the left shoulder for any possible hazards. Release the handbrake. And exit the parking bay by driving slowly. Proceed to your next parking test.